Yeah, today is Monday. Hola, ¿cómo estás? We are thinking that our snow season has come to an end, without knowing that we are still going to have snow. And today is the 16th day of March 2026. Still snowing in Chicago. Still walking, clearing the snow. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, bien, bien. People still dress up. You have to be careful here because look at this place wasn't cleared, and you have to manage to avoid fall and see the cars moving slowly. Whenever it snows, people have to be more careful because the road at times becomes slippery and pathway slippery too. And some people do clear their own pathway, some don't. But we are thinking that we have survived this year's snowfall. But as you can see, it snowed yesterday night, and from forecast there are some days this week that we are going to experience snowfall again. And that's Chicago for you. Sundays, it looks like the day will be so bright, so warm, and people will go out to play. But some days it becomes so cold that you must mask. Let me put it like that. And that's how it is. But hopefully by April it will get better. It will be spring season. The weather will not be as cold as it is now. So gentlemen, just to show you how Chicago is this morning. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. May God bless you all. Have a nice day wherever you are. Always be good.